So, how is AI being utilized in EdTech?
It will give a personalized content.
What do you see as the most exciting trends in EdTech app development?
So again, I would say AR, VR, EdTech platform need to include all these sort of things in an AI platform.
So, today we have our EdTech expert with us. So, would you like to tell us something about yourself?
Hello everyone, my name is Nitesh Sharma and I am thrilled to be here today on this podcast. I have been working in the app and web development industry for the past 4 years. Currently, I hold the position of project manager at Udacity, a company that specializes in creating innovative and effective app and web solutions for various businesses. During my time at Udacity, I have had the opportunity to manage a wide variety of and wide range of projects, from small scale applications to large complex web platforms. And our team commitment to excellence and innovations has enabled us to deliver top-notch products that meet and exceed our clients' expectations. So today I am excited to share my experience and insights with you all, and I hope you find our discussions both informative and inspiring.
That's really great. It's great to have you with us today. And today we'll be talking about the EdTech applications, and your insights would be really helpful for everyone. So let me ask you our first question.
Sure.
What is an EdTech app, and what are the benefits for businesses?
So if you start about an edtech word, let me explain you what edtech mean. EdTech is educational technology, okay? And when it's come to EdTech apps, so EdTech apps leverage technology to facilitate and enhance learning and teaching processes. When it's come to its benefit, so the first thing is scalability, reach a global audience. Second one is engagement, okay? So interactive and multimedia rich content increases user engagement. The third one is efficiency, and the fourth one is customization. So this is what benefit and definition of an edtech app.
So, what would you say are the key features of every EdTech app that should be included that is valuable and engaging for users?
Very first point is user friendly interface, UI, okay, which will be easy to navigate, and the design will be intuitive so that each and every user or each and every user, those who are using edtech platform, they can use it perfectly. So the second point, second key feature is interactive content. So there needs to be a perfect video, there needs to be perfect quizzes and gamified elements, so that a user that is using the application can interact in a well manner with the application on edtech platform. Okay. The third one is personalization. So adaptive learning paths and recommendations should be there in the key feature element of each and every edtech app. The fourth one is, you can say, collaboration tools like forums, chats, group projects, so that a user that is using the application can interact and excel in the application. Next one is progress tracking. Each and every user using a tech platform can progress themselves, okay, like analytics and dashboards for performance monitoring. Last but not the least is accessibility, support for various learning styles and disabilities. Okay, it's not limited to a single user, but this application will be used by each and every age group. So you need to support for various learning styles and disabilities. Okay, so this is what you can say a key feature that each and every edtech app should include to valuable and engaging for users.
Okay. What do you see as the most exciting trends in EdTech app development, especially when it comes to integrating virtual reality?
So again, I would say AR, VR, augmented reality, and virtual reality (VR). So what VR offers, VR can create an immersive learning environment for subjects like uh, history, okay, geography, science, and vocational training type of thing, so that user can interact directly in the application through a virtual reality thing. Second is augmented reality. It can enhance the real world interactions and practical applications. Okay, so they can use AR as well in their ad tech platform. Again, The current trending thing is AI in machine learning, so personalizes learning experience and provides intelligent tutorial system through this AI and machine learning. Second one is gamification. What gamification do exactly? It increase the engagement and increase motivation in each and every user, those who are using the EdTech platform. So they can provide a gamification type of thing where they need to give certain quizzes or games, okay, type of thing in the application, so that user can interact more in the application EdTech. The last but not least, I would say, is micro learning, short and focused learning segments. You are well aware of many EdTech platforms which are available in the market. They provide content, but uh, content are so much like in which a user might got confused what to read and what not to read. So for that, it's better that they can introduce a micro learning, which will only focus on the fact and actual facts and figure. Okay, it will be short and focused.
Okay. As we all know, AI plays a major role in many industries. So, how is AI being utilized in EdTech and what benefits does it bring to the educational applications?
Last thing that I said you about micro learning, if you can introduce the AI, so what it will do, it will give a personalized content to an individual student uh, according to the individual student needs, and it can increase the learning speed. So this is what I can say this term, this is personalized learning. Okay, the second one is analysis, predictive analysis. Okay, so what will be the suggestions to a particular student, how he is performing, in which particular area he need to focus in future. So it will, if you can use AI, it will give these reports as well. The next one is automated grading. It can save time and provide the immediate feedback to a user who is using the EdTech platform. What exactly, in which area he wants to uh, be more focused on, that real time. Okay, so if you can give a real time data or a real time detail of performance, how is performing, it will definitely gonna save a lot of time. Okay. Next is chatbot and virtual assistant 24/7. If you are having a personalized chatbot, will be there. If you are going to ask any question on the application in an EdTech platform, like I am facing some issue with mathematics, I am facing some issue. I'm just giving you an example. I am facing some issue with social science. So what they'll do, they'll give you a personalized assistant, okay, chatbot. Like you need to be more focused on this type of thing. So we can introduce chatbots and virtual assistant which offer 24/7 support and answer queries. The next one is content recommendations. Okay, so what AI will do, AI will suggest relevant resources and learning materials that a user need to follow when he is using a EdTech platform. So I think these are the you can say benefit in which EdTech platform need to include all these sort of things in an AI platform.
So, could you share some insights on how businesses can develop an EdTech app? What are the initial steps and considerations?
Very first thing, they need to go with a market research. They need to identify the target audience and what actually market need. Okay, they need to be clear with their goals and outcomes for the application, so they need to define their objectives. Also, they need to prioritize essential features and functionalities they need to be included in the EdTech, in any EdTech platform. Okay, thereafter they need to choose a technology stack, decide like which technology stack they need to introduce in their application. If they are developing any application, so what tech stack they need to use, either they are going with the Flutter, either they're going for a React Native, either they go for a hybrid cross. So they need to choose what technology stack they want to go with, decide on platform, design on frameworks, and what tools they are going to use on their EdTech app. Next is design and prototyping. Okay, so they need to create wireframes and they need to create mockups before starting any EdTech platform to check if it's looking perfect or nice or not. What will be the flow of the application? How it will gonna look like? So they need to go with the design and prototyping. Thereafter, the next phase is development and testing. They need to go with the development and testing with the interactive, you can say, or interactive development with continuous testing will be there, when they can like with the initial steps, and last but not least, that is launch and marketing. So once the development and testing will be finished, they are going to launch the application, publish the application on iOS. For iOS, they are going to publish it on App Store, and for Android, they are going to publish it on Play Store. Okay, and if they want to go with the web, so they can introduce it their web on the market as well, and do certain marketing things plan for this EdTech platform as well.
Given the variety of screen size and devices, how can businesses ensure their EdTech apps are optimized for all different platforms?
So there are some key points I would suggest. The very first thing is responsive design. Okay, uh, ensure the app adapts to different screen sizes and resolutions. Okay. The second one is cross-platform development. If we are going to cross-platform development, use frameworks like React, Native, or Flutter. Okay. The third key point is testing it on multiple devices. If you are going to like develop any of the AdTech app, you need to test it on multiple devices as well. Okay, to conduct extensive testing on various devices and operating system. Just need to check how it will gonna look like on that particular devices. Performance optimization will be there. Ensure a fast load times and smooth performance will be there. Okay, last but not least, you need to take user feedback. Okay, continuously gather and implement user feedback on any of the ad tech platform that you are going to develop. So these are the key factors I would say, or these are the points for the screen sizes.
What are some potential challenges that businesses might face when developing an EdTech app, and how they can overcome those challenges?
It start with the funding and budgeting. Okay, so you can secure adequate funding and manage budgets effectively. Second one challenge is user engagement. Develop engaging and interactive content in the application. Third one is, if you are a user, you are giving each and every details into the application. So you need to be more towards data security and privacy, so you can implement strong security measures and comply with the regulations of your application. Thereafter, there will be one more point: technical expertise. So you need to hire skilled developers and educators. Last but not least, that is scalability.
Yeah.
Plan for scalability from the very beginning when you are developing any of the EdTech application.
When it comes to hosting and maintaining the EdTech app, what are the technical requirements businesses should be aware of?
Very first thing they need to take care of is cloud hosting. Okay, so choose a reliable cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. Why I'm suggesting AWS? Why it's best? Why? Because if you're going to use AWS, you need to pay for only those you are using. Okay, so if you are using X amount of thing, you need to pay for that only thing. You don't need to pay for any monthly subscription or yearly subscription and you are just using a X data, but you need to pay for a monthly or yearly subscription. But AWS won't provide you that sort of things. You need to only pay for what you use. Okay, so the very first point is, that's what I said, cloud hosting. Second one is scalability. Again, ensure the infrastructure can handle increased traffic. Okay, the third one is security. Implement robust security protocols and regular updates like SSL. Introduce SSL and other things to make your application more secure. Again, the next point comes up with like backup and recovery. Set up regular backups and disaster recovery plans as well, if in case your data will be like deleted or hacked, so you have a backup and recovery of that data. Last but not least, I would suggest like monitoring and support. So you need to continuous monitor your project, and you need to give 24. You need to take 24/7 support to that particular application and EdTech platform that you are going to develop.
What are the various options available for the monetization of an EdTech app, and how can businesses choose the best strategy for them?
So they can go for a subscription model, charge users a recurring fee for access. Okay. Also, they can go for a freemium model, offer basic features for free, and if there is any premium feature, like if you are using any of the EdTech platform, when it comes to monetization, the very first things comes to a mind is subscription model. Okay, so they provides you two of the things. First is freemium, and another is like premium content. Premium is if you are going to use any free content, for that it will cost you $0 or whatever maybe. But if you are going to purchase any of the premium content, you need to go with a subscription model that is monthly or yearly. And in many edtech platform, it's also based upon the particular courses. If you have any particular course, or if you can say a premium content is there, you need to purchase that premium content as well. Okay, so subscription model for premium content, for freemium, you can also go with one time purchase, charge for a single fee for lifetime access. Again, you can go for in-app purchases, like sell additional content or features within the app. And last but not least, you can go with the advertisement as well, like includes Google AdMobs, but balance them with the user experience as well.
Right. Developing an EdTech app can be a profitable investment. So, can you tell us the factors that affect the cost of the development of an EdTech app?
Cost can vary widely based on the app complexity, features that you are going to offer in the application. So if you can go with a rough estimate, it range from around minimum amount is $60,000 for a medium complexity app. Okay, but factors affecting cost include design, development, testing, maintenance, and marketing as well. So these are the points, or this is a rough idea of the cost involved in the developing an ad tech brand.
So basically, there are chances that if the app is not complex at all, the prices can be less.
Prices is all according to the features that you are going to include in the application. So what I said, it's for a simple application, simple type of application with less complexity. But as you know, nowadays AI is going on, AI is on boom. So if you want to, that's what I said in the last points that you have asked to me, last questions, how we can say enhance the application through AI. So if you are going to include, or if you want to go with any of the AI functionality or AI feature in the EdTech platform, so definitely the price will gonna increase according to the complexity.
Right.
Why? Because if you need to train any of the AI model, it will definitely gonna take time, and if it take time, the costing will be included in the EdTech platform or EdTech app. It's not limit up to the AI, but again, the what I said, it's AR and VR if you are going to include any of the three. So it's all depend upon the complexity and feature that you are going to include in a EdTech platform.
Right. Got it. So, well, that's all for today. Thank you so much for your time. And we'll come back with more such informative videos on our channel in the coming weeks. Thank you.